Bonafide Hustler here, and today I'm going to talk to you about how I turned 10 bucks into a $500 sale. What's going on, guys and gals? Chris, the Bonafide Hustler, coming to you live from the inside of my garage. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram at The Bonafide Hustler. You can get the free guide. It's the first link down below. It'll teach you 50 cool items to buy and resell that you can typically find used at garage sales and other places like thrift stores. And oh yeah, don't forget, Monday, this new guide comes out, RC to Bucks. It's amazing. You've been hearing me talk about it for a while. But yeah, coming out Monday. It's all ready to go, but it comes out Monday. In this video, we're gonna talk about a find that I flipped within a month. I bought it for 10 bucks at a Goodwill, and I flipped it for $500. Now, I ended up walking with about $438 or something like that. I saw the check cut out this morning. Before this thing goes out, let's take a look what the item is. For the diehards that watch my channel, this sold right here. This is a bag, and it is crazy, crazy cool, crazy rare, crazy expensive. This is an Arc'teryx collaboration with Valence, okay? And it is a very rare bag. I think there are only 2 iterations of this bag. This is the version number 1. This bag came out, I think at Nordstrom and maybe at a couple other bag places online. It was $6.49 when it first came out, and it sold out real quick. What's so special about this bag? Well, it is hailed to be a very interesting minimalist type bag. The design is awesome, and anything dealing with Valence is very, very sought after. So, you know, the most important thing is that I didn't know about Valence before buying this bag. What I did know was quality signs of bag stuff. I discussed it in my bag guide called Bags to Bucks, and I knew quickly after looking at this bag for 5 seconds that this was something worth taking a second look at, or at least checking up on eBay. And it took me a solid 10 minutes to really decipher what was going on right here. So let's talk about some of these telltale signs that are very, very interesting. Look at the weatherproofing or weather stripping on that zipper right there. See how nice that looks? All right, so that's definitely something you find on high grade stuff. Could be windbreakers, could be raincoats, could be things like that, but here it is on a bag and it looks amazing. Another thing that's really cool, it's very indicative of like Lululemon stuff, is look at these straps and how minimalist they look, and they're very, very comfortable too, right? Check all that out. A very interesting looking bag. It doesn't have all the perforations that you see on normal backpacks or anything like that, or any of those kind of like molly straps or anything like here to put your camelback or, you know, clip on a carabiner. None of that stuff is on here. It's a very minimalist type pack. Also, what I noticed was this handle right here, which is kind of a pull handle, like if you put it in a stow compartment in an airplane, or you want to, you know, pull the bag from this direction going that way. It has one of these. That's interesting. That means travel oriented right there. More importantly, when I opened up the bag, I saw taped seams. See that? These seams are taped, and that is something that you see in super high grade outerwear right there. That was another really big sign that this was something serious. On top of that, look at the fabric. The fabric is just like really tightly woven, probably nylon slash something else, and it's also glossed over with some sort of weatherproofing. I mean, it is probably the highest grade fabric I've ever seen on a bag, ever. It is really neat looking. Then what we have when I opened it was this interesting kind of suspension system, because it is technically suspended in the air, all this stuff right here. So it has a suspension system where you put laptop or files or whatever, and then you close it up with this one thing right here. So that was interesting. It also has an inner pocket, you know, for maybe your wallet or your passport. And then when I came into this pocket, it has a really interesting kind of pull away system where you can pull this pocket out to this direction right here. Very interesting. And when I opened this up right here, this is where it clicked, and I had to buy the bag very quickly. So there it is, Arc'teryx Valence, and if you search the serial number, you'll realize this is an edition 1 no-min minimalist bag, super sought after on grail type websites where they discuss bag grail items. You'll find this bag on those websites. So this bag sold for $500 and was something that I didn't even know about, but I knew the telltale signs to look for. Now that's something that you will learn in Bags to Bucks. Bags to Bucks has been out for about 2 years now. It's one of my best selling guides. I think it is my best selling guide, with Shoes to Bucks being right behind it. But anyway, Bags to Bucks is awesome. If you happen to watch this video and you're like, okay, I'm interested, I want to learn the bag game, which is really interesting because if you go into a bag section of a thrift store, you got to know within seconds like what's worth picking up, what's not worth not picking up. There's a lot of noise in there, and Bags to Bucks will really help you out finding the real profit in those scenarios. Or in like a garage sale scenario, for example, if you go to a garage sale, there's like a pile of bags, you'll know quickly like what to pick up and what not to pick up. Now, most of being a reseller is denying a lot of things, right? Is to cut through the noise and to find the profitable stuff. And I really do confidently believe that Bags to Bucks will help you out. So if you're watching this video right now and you're like, oh my God, I'm in, I'll hook you up with a really quick 20% discount. Check it out. It's the second link down below. All right. I don't usually do this on videos, but yeah, second link down below. If you're interested, go save some money, read the guide, and go look at your bag sections in a different way. Sick bag. It's going out right now. I'm gonna put it in a box and cross my fingers that good feedback comes back. But there you go. A Nomen 1.0 Arc'teryx collaboration with valence bag. Very hard to find kind of item, but I found one. If you enjoyed the video, give it a thumbs up, put a comment down below, and I'll see you on the next one. Take it easy. Goodbye.